Hey everyone, today we're going to make an easy lemon dump cake, and that just means that all you have to do for this one is literally just dump in some ingredients into a baking dish, and you're going to come out with a warm and gooey lemony dessert. And this dessert really is super addictive. You can add ice cream to it, whipped cream on top, but I think you're going to really love this one. Okay, first you want to add 8 ounces of cream cheese to a mixing bowl, quarter cup of sugar as well, and then mix that until it's really smooth. Also make sure the cream cheese is about room temperature so that it'll get smooth. And then you're going to take about a 22-ounce can of lemon pie filling, add it to a 13 by 9-inch pan. I did spray my pan, not really sure if that's necessary, but I did just in case. So smooth the filling out across the bottom of your baking dish. And then you're going to take a quarter of a lemon cake mix. So just estimate. You don't have to do exactly a quarter of it. Just kind of estimate about a quarter of the mix and sprinkle it on top. Now you're going to add that cream cheese mixture that you made earlier and just put little dollops all over the top. I guess just little mounds of that cream cheese mixture. Just kind of add it with a teaspoon. And now you want to sprinkle the rest of the lemon cake mix over everything. Just put it on there dry. Just kind of try to get it on as evenly as you can. I just sort of spread it out here. Now you want to take about 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter and you want to slice it thin. That's usually about a stick and a half of butter. Slice it thin and spread it all over the top. Make sure to try to cover as much as you can of that dry cake mixture. Then you want to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes and then let it cool just a little bit on the rack. You do want to try to eat this warm. It's best warm, although you can eat it cold if you want, but you want to store this in the fridge covered, and you can always warm it up in the microwave. You can serve it with Cool Whip like I did, or you can add some ice cream to it. This isn't like your typical cake. It's really more of kind of more like a cobbler, if you will, but feel free to change up the type of filling you put in it. I have not tried this with lemon curd, so I don't know if that would work the same way, but feel free to use a yellow cake mix if you want instead of lemon. You can change it up to kind of suit whatever your tastes are. Okay, y'all, I hope you enjoy this one. Happy baking, and I'll see you next time.